Looking to lose weight healthily? Here's a balanced diet plan for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Start your day with overnight oats. Combine rolled oats, low-fat yogurt, chia seeds, and berries. Refrigerate overnight. Or try a vegetable omelet with egg whites, spinach, tomatoes, and bell peppers. Serve with whole grain toast. A Greek yogurt parfait with fresh fruit and granola is another great option. For lunch, enjoy a grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, avocados, and a light vinaigrette. A quinoa bowl with black beans, corn, bell peppers, avocado, and lime juice is also delicious. Or have a turkey wrap with whole grain tortilla, lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and hummus. Dinner can be baked salmon with steamed broccoli and brown rice. Or stir-fried tofu with mixed vegetables and light soy sauce over cauliflower rice. Another option is chicken and vegetable stir-fry with snap peas, carrots, and bell peppers over quinoa. For snacks, choose fresh fruit like apples, bananas, or berries. Raw veggies with hummus, a handful of nuts or seeds, or low-fat cottage cheese are also great choices. Balance your meals with lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of vegetables. Watch portion sizes to avoid overeating. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive refined carbs.